Captain Norton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Essex County in northeastern Massachusetts until 6 p.m. At 5:28 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Merrimack, or near Haverhill, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Haverhill, Newburyport, Amesbury, Salisbury, Newbury, Groveland, Merrimack, and West Newbury. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following county: Essex, Massachusetts. Here is a